Hello. In this video, I will show you how to add Solana network to Metamask. Now, it's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then open Metamask. Now, just simply enter your password. Now, once you have entered your password, the next thing that you have to do is click on this option, which is BNB chain. Choose this option and click on Add Network. Now, wait for a few seconds, and over here just simply search for Solana, which is going to be SOL. Now, if you're unable to find it right over here, the next thing that you have to do is, just simply search for a website called Chain List. Now, just simply go to the first option right over here. Then you will be able to see a lot of networks. Now, you will be receiving this type of pop-up. So, just simply choose Metamask right over here. Now, once that is done, just simply wait for a few seconds and click on Next, then Connect. Now, once it is connected with your wallet, as you can see right over here, just simply search for Solana, which is going to be SOL. Now, wait for a few seconds and just simply see if it is available or not right over here. Now, if it is still not available right over here, the next and the last thing that you can do is just simply go to the official website of Metamask. Then open the first link right over here. Now, just simply hover over features and click on Metamask Snap. Once you are on the Snap section, click on Discover. Now, once your wallet is connected with Metamask, the next thing that you have to do is you have to search for Solana wallet. But in some cases, if you're unable to see this, you can just simply search it. Once that is done, click on Add to Metamask. Now a pop-up will appear again. So just simply scroll down to the bottom, then click on Accept, and then click on Connect. Now wait for a few seconds. And after it's done, click on Install. Then install Solana wallet. Make sure to check this box. Then click on Confirm. Now it's all done and the installation is ready to use. So click on OK. Now you can go to Solana wallet directly right over here. Click on this option and then you will be able to start using Solana in Metamask. So click on Get Started. Then click on Continue. Then again click on Continue. And again Continue. And then click on Connect Metamask. Now wait for a few seconds and click on Connect. Now it will take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. Now once that is done, just simply click on Continue and then enter Solana. Now wait for a few seconds and click on Next and Continue. Now once that is done, you will be able to see your Solana inside the Metamask chain. And to verify it, you can also use the Metamask extension over here to verify if the Solana wallet is connected or not. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.